Good evening, Professor. Today I'll be showing you my mini project um number one. So to start my mini project, I went ahead and did a um what's it called? A quick ratio app. So for session one and session two, I built a quick ratio calculator and improved it using the driver loops. So the quick ratio, or the asset test, it measures the liquidity, and that is the current assets minus the inventory and divided by the current liabilities. So it shows how well a company can pay short-term debts with liquid assets. So I chose a tiny but useful finance tool from Lesson One, which was the quick ratio part. So the reason the smallest version is three inputs and one output. So I built this basic web app and Replit with HTML and JavaScript. So I'll demo the samples. So for the current assets, I used 125,000. The inventory was 30,000, and the current liabilities was 80,000. So with the formula is 125,000 minus 30,000 divided by 80,000, which comes out to be 1.19. So I wanted that to be shown in um the app that I created. So I will share my screen with you. So here, we have the financial data input. So I just put in quick ratio calculator to help me spit it out right here. Um, and it was good. Right here, all good. So it came out to be a 1 to 1.49, which is the adequate liquid assets. It took about 5 minutes to spit out, but it was all good. So 125, 30, 80 came out to be 1.19. Um, so to make it less crappy, so for the driver part, the discover, so plain number, isn't very helpful. Users want the meaning of it. The reason was the smallest and high impact fix is an interpretation with color. So then I added logic to label results. So there was excellent, good, fair, and poor. I was writing the good to excellent range for in terms of the number. So yeah, I also added the validation. So for example, liabilities can't be zero in a history list. So with the same inputs of 1.19, it shows good liquidity position. So if I change the assets to 200,000, 20,000, 120,000, ratio is 1.15, which shows excellent. So I can also show you that right now. So if I share my screen one more time, you can see right here, you got 200,000, 1,000, 120,000. So instead of being good, which was in my calculation history, it shows excellent. So that was my second loop. Um and it cleared it. So about the quick ratio right here, so strong liquidative position 1.50, which was excellent. And I'll put this in a doc and I'll show the work I had. But that was my second loop. So in my first loop, I learned shipping the simple version fast made the problem clear and gave me confidence that the math was working in the browser and my app that I created. Loop two, adding the interpretation validation, it turned a few internal raw number into a decision aid and prevented bad inputs. So the overall surprise of this, I say, was building the AI made the web part much faster than expected. The hardest part was picking the smalls improvement instead of the overbuilding on the app. And yeah, thanks for watching. This was my ship tool of the two driver loops for my quick ratio calculator.